Hey everybody! Today is March 11th. It looks almost like spring. Well, it does look like spring. So I thought I could dig a little bit today. Check it out. I'm gonna dig right over there. So I've got this hole dug and there's something way down here. Okay, right there. Let's see what it is. Okay, it's right in here. What are you? What could you be? Okay, it's something here. Okay, where did it go? Okay, we had something very deep down there. Look at all this carnage. Guess what? I'm wired. Some more of that barbed wire from the last video. Wonder if that's everything down there. Let me check. Yeah, I dug up this hole and first I found a piece of wire and then that was a really good sound. Well, it's not that old because look at that. All right, let's see what else we can find. All right, so that can is a Blitz Weinhard. Of course, that was probably left there by Dad. Then I got a couple more pieces of wire out of this hole. But look, there's kind of a corner right there. It's interesting. Okay, let's see what's in this hole. Oh, apparently nothing. Okay, it's down there ways, so let's dig it out. So this was ringing up at like a 50 or 55 on the AT Pro. And I wanted to check it out. Still down there. Okay, it's still deep. I'll come back. Okay, I see something right there. So I'm trying to get it out. Okay, you guys, I just realized this is the antenna cord. Because when I was a kid, to get TV in the house, to get our 4 channels, we had to hook up a wire from that post. See the black wire going into the ground? So this must be the line up to that TV antenna over there. Yes, must be something really good in that hole. Well, I'm going to stop for now and we'll see what we get next time because it's almost sunset. Beautiful night. Right, so I got a nail right here and just look down the hole and I got a big old thick one that's falling apart. And it sounds like there's possibly something else down here. That's not it. Okay, we'll find out what that is. Okay, we got another one. Huh. Those are pretty old. Some wood. Wonder if there was a fence post here, something a long time ago. Well, let's see if there's anything else in this hole. Okay, so I just dug this hole and something right there. So let's find out what that is. Okay, it's out of the hole. All right, got a bullet. I don't think it's an old one. All right, I got this out and I found a little bit of cement, looks like in this hole. And I have a target. Let's see what it is. It's a fence staple. And it feels like a modern one nut. Hasn't rusted at all. But it was down about 5 inches. Interesting. Okay, just dug this plug and I have something right there. So let's see what it is. Okay, let's see what it's right over here. Dun da da dum. Dun da da dun. Okay. What kind is it? Can you tell what it is yet? I'm guessing Olympia, but let me just see. Oh, wait. This one had the horseshoe on it. Yeah, it's Olympia. You can just see it right there. That was probably from the 70s, folks. Okay, I got something right here on the surface. Let's see what it is. Nailed again. I've nailed it. Woohoo!
This picture shows the spot where I was digging back in 1910. Join me in these other treasure hunting videos on this old ranch. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.